What's up, guys? It's my favorite day of the week. Wednesday, we take you back behind the scenes to show you what's in the shop. What's leaving right now is a Silverado 2500 HD, tinted the front windows to match the back. It's the most popular thing that we do on pickup trucks. We do about 10 of those a day at both locations, pretty much. I'm constantly doing trucks and SUVs. Let's check out what's in here. Look who's back, Minion. It's been a while. What's up, dude? Say hi. He's an old man, but he's still kicking. Over here we have a Grand Cherokee. So this car was ceramic coated and it came back for an annual and it was kind of scratched up. We're not really sure what happened to it, but we stand behind our warranty, so this one was like not performing and it was only a year old, and sometimes that's due to care, sometimes it's not. I've had it happen where we don't really know what's going on, but we did a repolish and a recoat on this Jeep for this gentleman. In front of it, my GT3 RS. I'm not sure if we showed this off yet in a What's in the Shop. I bought this a couple of weeks ago. It's gonna be our shop car. We're gonna do some pretty cool stuff to this. Look for it in shows. It's really dirty right now. We're gonna get it cleaned up, full wrap in 10 mil. I already tinted the windows, and check this out. I'm proud of this little mod. The RS in the window is typically clear, and I had green vinyl that pretty much matched the paint. So I did the vinyl before the tint, and I think it looks pretty cool. Beside that, we have the new C-Class AMG. I think that's the 43. Max was telling me yesterday it's like the most powerful four-cylinder or something, right? 600 some horsepower out of a hybrid. We've got to make sure we tell you that it's a hybrid or Aaron's going to be very upset because no four-cylinder can do that without a hybrid. Right, Aaron? Beside that, what Aaron's working on is a Ram 2500. This one, we did PPF on the tailgate and the bumper. Was that from a body shop? Yeah, so it has PPF on it. Came to us from a body shop. We put some film on the back. This motorcycle, trike, I guess, it's an Indian. Lots of custom airbrushing on it. This thing came to us, the paint was pretty trashed. It was some of the worst swirl marks and micro scratches that I've seen, and it polished up pretty darn good. Caleb did a really excellent job on it. We're installing paint protection film, or maybe we already have, on strategic areas, and it's gonna get a ceramic coat as well. In front of that is a Trackhawk. We love Dodge. We love Dodge because they put Hellcat engines in everything, and it's fantastic. And we hope they resurrect the Hellcat. Wishful thinking. In front of that, a Trans Am, more horsepower. This belongs to our friend Marshall. If you guys hear heavy breathing, it's the dog. He's just following me around. Beautiful Trans Am. This car's been in here before. We did a polish and a coat on it. He's doing a full PPF wrap. The fun part about that is that this car has no patterns, which means a very, very skilled team of PPF installers, aka Aaron and Max, are going to have to attack this carefully and deliberately. Every single panel on this car has to be hand cut. The benefit of that is if you have a really great installer, you can get a really excellent installation from that. Coverage that's a little bit better even than with a pattern, because you can stretch over corners differently and put tension on the film in certain places. So like a corner like this with a kit would be almost impossible to get to wrap. But when you can put the right tension on it, almost like a vinyl wrap, you can get it to hold. So there's some advantages to that, but it takes a really, really long time. So that'll be a fun project for Aaron and Max this week. On the lift is our first 2025 Cadillac Escalade. This thing doesn't even have all the patterns available for it yet. It had the front bumper though, right? Cool, cool. Had the front end, so that's exciting. Different bumper on these. I haven't even seen the interiors. Cadillac does the Escalade very well. I'm sure this one's no exception. In the wash bay, we have a Grand Cherokee. This is the Trailhawk. Trackhawk and a Trailhawk. This one is here from a body shop. I think it hit a deer or something. It needs PPF on the front, a decal replaced, as well as a ceramic coating. So it's getting prepped right now. PPF will go down today. Decal probably tomorrow, and ceramic coating as well. And we've come back to the tint bay, and there's a different colored 2500 HD. So true to what I was telling you, we do a lot of trucks front windows. Outside, we've got a Bronco. This one is getting paint protection film. That's the second Bronco in the last week. We did a full wrap on one last week. And a Genesis. We did a chrome delete around the windows and part of the roof and the antenna. Tyler did a nice job with that. We tinted the windows, and now it's getting a ceramic coating. Out here we have a Kia Carnival minivan. This one's getting tint, I think, all the way around with our ceramic tint. Beside that, our really great customer and friend Track brought in his Corvette. We've done, I think, a full wrap and coating and stuff on this car already. He saw the xpel windshield protection film. Because, yeah, that's the last part of the car that's not protected. We're gonna get that taken care of for him today. That's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's check out the others.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Behind me here is our most recent coating. It's a brand new Tesla Model Y. This got the entire body polished and a 4-year coating on everything besides the wheels. We also tinted the 2 front windows in 20% to match the factory tint. Next in line for ceramic coating is this Ford Raptor. The same customer was in last week with the big Sprinter van you guys probably saw. He loved the coating so much, he decided to coat his truck too. And over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Targa. This is from our friends at Swickley Car Store. We did a track package and paint protection film, and now it is getting an 8-year Fusion Plus premium ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we got Cole working on this Range Rover. We're doing 55% tint on the 2 front windows, so it's a light tint, but getting UV rejection and heat rejection. Once Cole finishes up his tint, this is going right over to Austin and Steve in the PPF bay to get a full stealth paint protection film wrap. Next up is a GLE. This got the 2 front windows tinted in 20% to match the factory tint, and it is next in line for some paint protection film. We're doing the entire front and the lower rocker panel kit. One of our full wraps of the week is this 300. We're going to be doing a full 8mm paint protection film wrap on the back half of the vehicle, and on the entire front of the vehicle, a full 10mm wrap. We are also tinting the side windows, the back window, and the visor in our Prime XR window tint, and coating the entire vehicle in our 8-year Fusion Plus premium ceramic coating. Up on the lift is another full wrap. This one a Mazda 3. This was in the shop last week. We're just wrapping up now. This is an 85 to 90% bulk job. So these guys just cut a big piece of paint protection film and cut it to size. So a lot more challenging, but also a bit more coverage. So this is just about done. It's going to be at Mark's Bay here pretty soon for the ceramic coating. Another coating this week is this brand new Lexus GX. This one is also getting an 8-year coating. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kayla here with Blackout Tinting South Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in the shop, so come on. Today we have here is a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. This customer brought this vehicle in today to receive the front 2 window tint in the Prime XR. We're going it with 20% just to match it to the rears. Today we have here is a Ford F-150. This is a Coyote 4x4 in a green gem metallic. This customer brought it in to get the front end package, which is a full front clip. This covers the entire hood, bumper, fenders, and mirrors. This is a Mazda 3. As you can see, this color has a beautiful bright red, but today we are only tinting the front windshield. So we already went ahead and laid the film down with the Prime XR Plus. This customer went in with 55%. Now, as you can see, this is our tinter Alfredo, currently using a squeegee to get out any excess water and moisture to make it as clean as possible.